Next is reaction with water. When metals react with water, it forms metal oxide or metallic hydroxide and evolves hydrogen gas. Non-metals do not react with water. Although they are very reactive, but they are very reactive in air. Like phosphorus is very reactive in air. So uh, this is stored in water. Phosphorus is very reactive in air, so it is stored in water. And sodium metal is very reactive. Sodium, it is very reactive, and it reacts vigorously with oxygen and water, so and a lot of heat is generated, so it is stored in kerosene. Sodium is stored in kerosene. Next is reaction with acids. When metals react with acids like hydrochloric acid, sulfuric acid, it forms metallic chloride. If it reacts with HCl, hydrochloric acid, it forms their chloride and evolves hydrogen gas. While non-metal do not react with acids. Next is reaction with base. Metals also react with base and evolves hydrogen gas, while non-metals do not react with base, and they form complex compounds. A reaction in which a more reactive metal displaces to less reactive metal, it is known as displacement reaction. Suppose iron reacts with copper sulfate solution. It forms iron sulfate and displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Copper sulfate solution is blue in color. When it reacts with iron, iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution and it forms a green colored solution. Due to the formation of iron sulfate, it is green in color. And iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. Iron displaces copper from copper sulfate solution because iron is more reactive than copper. This is an activity series in which metals are arranged in their decreasing order. So the topmost metals are more reactive than other metals. Iron is above the copper. So iron is more reactive than copper and it displaces copper from copper sulfate solution. So this type of reaction is known as displacement reaction. Symbol of iron is Fe. Formula of copper sulfate is CuSO4 is equals to iron sulfate is FeSO4. You will denote copper by Cu. This is word reaction. When will you write word reaction? You will write like this. You will write in word. And when will you say that write chemical equation? Then you will write like this. write with formula or symbol. I hope all topics are clear to you. Now revise it properly and do your test honesty, with full honesty. That's all for today. Thank you. Have a nice day.